In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. With your app ready, you need to click on those three dots at the top of it. And when you see this pop-up, select floating window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to turn your app into a bubble, you can either click Home button and slide this tiny window to the side, then access it again by tapping on the bubble and tiny window, or click on those three dots at the top and select Minimize. This way you can open any other app and click on the bubble to use it overlay the second one. You can also tap on the same three dots to select Close and close your window, or to click on this option, Full Screen, to use any app you are currently using in pop-up view in full screen view. You can also do that by holding this lower line and dragging it down. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!